top of the hook has to have this bar, and the bar has to swivel. If this is a fixed bar, it's no good. You don't want to use it. The bar has to swivel, and there has to be a bar. Then it'll hook over the ridge and not break anything. This is bent. See how it's bent here? So, you know, I sent these pictures to the manufacturer, and they reinforce it so it doesn't bend now. It is reinforced already on the top with the bar, but right in here was a weak section, and it tends to bend here. Other thing on the hook is this wheel that rolls it up. You roll it up, flip it over, yes, and hook it. This wheel has to be fixed too. This wheel does have to be fixed. This is not fixed. This swivels, this does not. It just sits on the rung, you know, and then you adjust it. And then you can put a metal pick, aluminum pick, or just standard planks. You can lay them on the ladder and on the ladder jack. You can lay two on the ladder. The important reason that they're this size is because they'll fit in your pouch. So you can put them, you can have a pouch full of bibs when you go up there, and then use them. This size will cover most, well, your repairs and most holes in a slate. Now, when you pop the bib out, like I say, you fold it lengthwise, and you're on a hook ladder or something, so you can just fold it like this. Doesn't matter how much you fold, because you're going to flatten it back down to slide it in there. When you do, you've got this little hump that'll allow it to ride over the nail head. If you just try to slide a flat piece of metal in there, it's going to hit that nail head, and it's going to get stuck on it, and you know, then you got to pull it back out because it's under the nail head. So, of course, you can stick your ripper in there and twist your ripper a little bit. That's it. If you pry on this with your Wonder Bar,
Yeah.
it will lift that nail enough. There you go. You can get it out.